Right, so I'm putting some new slider pins in my MK6 Fiesta ST150. They're currently seized on at the minute and the brake pedal is extremely heavy. So I've already done one side, so I'm going to go through it best I can on this side and basically show you how it's all done, do you know what I mean? So again, I'm going to reuse the pads at the minute. So it's just a case, you want a 13 and a 15mm spanner. You want to loosen the bolt off here where the slider pins reside. So you want a 13mm on the back and a 15mm there, and just loosen it off freely. And again, same again down here as well on this little section here, and that's job done. And it's just a case of getting a spanner, a screwdriver or something like that, getting it in between there and just getting this caliper off nicely. So it might be a bit stuck, so just get a bit of elbow grease. I'm just going to get this off now and I'll show you what I mean. Just wants a bit of persuasion. Fucking hell. But as you can see, we've got this main caliper bit off now and we can simply sort it all out from here. So you want your 15mm spanner and you want to loosen off these slider bolts. So once this is loose, it should just slide out, but mine are extremely seized, so I'm going to get a spanner and a hammer and hammer it off that way. So I'll just angle the spanner like that and just give it a good whack. That was proper seized. I've proper just had to whack that. That's mental. See, it's still stuck now. It was definitely these slider pins, I reckon. Look at the state of these. I reckon it was definitely these. Look at that. That is shocking. So right, we've got this off. You pull the rubber off there. I've literally got this drill with a wire brush on the end. So you want to spray loads of WD in there, and you want to get your wire brush and just bore it out best you can. Keep spraying with WD till it's got all the gunk and crap out, and then I'll show you what to do next. Yeah, this is why I just don't bother. The drill bit is broke on in the inside of that now, so I'm going to have to try and get that out with some pliers or something. I don't know. That was close to being a major headache. That was stuck in there. Look at the state of that pin. No wonder it was seized up. It was horrendous. I've just had to proper hammer it out. It's just a nightmare, mate. But we're on it. I've just bored these out as well, sprayed them with loads of WD. So it's just a case now of greasing up these new pins and getting them in situ. Don't forget to wire brush any contact points. And like I say, just thoroughly blast these out with WD. Just make sure it's coming out nice and clean like that, and then you're ready to grease up and put the new slider pins in. Then we want to grease up the slider pins. Right, you want to make sure the rubber boot is sat on both sides beautifully, and as you can see, just want to do that, just make sure it's got nice and grease all the way down. Look at that, nice and free flowing now. That's bang on. And then just repeat the process with this new slider pin here. Right, that's in nicely now. It's not as free flowing as this one, but I'm hoping that shouldn't really be a big problem. And I'm going to reuse the pads, so I'm simply just going to put them back in situ and then repeat the whole process in reverse. I've got a lot of grease on my hands, so I'm going to just swap the gloves out and then just spray everything with some brake cleaner, clean it all off. Right, so you want to move this carrier back onto this setup, and then you want to get your new slider pin bolts and then get them screwed in nicely, and then that should be job done. So this is the fiddliest part of the job. Again, you've got it on situ and you've just got to kind of marry it up and then get the bolts in, but it's an absolute nightmare trying to thread them up, so wish me luck. Right, I've managed to get that sorted. So then you just want your spanners and you want to tighten this up beautifully. Right, that's the new slider pins in and it's all tightened up beautifully, so I suppose it's the moment of truth. Get the wheels back on and let's see if the brakes are working. Right, that's the wheels back on. Let's hope that's done the job. So I'm going to start car up. I'm going to jump the car because the battery's dead, and we're going to see if it solved the sticking issue with the pedal. Right, that's the slider pin sorted on the back. Beautifully done by yours truly, do you know what I mean? Unfortunately, the brakes are still sticking. Now, I've gone out for a little test drive, and we've assessed that the front of the car, by touching the alloys, is extremely hot. So we reckon the front pads are binding now. So again, same thing. Just need to take the pins out. I need to re-grease them. Everywhere's shut at the minute, and I've run out of silicone grease. So I think I'm going to tackle that another day. But like I say, I'm going to class that as a mini service on the rear brakes for now. So that's bang on, and then we'll have a look at the front another day.